Hello, hello. We are live. Let's see. Yeah, it says that we're live. So I tweeted it out. And it should be all good. Let's see. Say hi in the chat if you can hear me. In the meantime, let me see. Games. I had, game ideas. So in this live stream, we're going to build, or at least try to build another game in JavaScript. I was thinking today to do Flappy Birds. So let's put it up here. Okay. So with it, snake. Let's mark it, and then do we have arrows? Yeah. And then now we're going to attempt Flappy Birds. Birds. Whatever. Okay. So let's see. What should be the first step? For those of you who don't know, let me show the Flappy Bird. So basically, where is it? Images. So basically what you have to do in this game, have bird, which is pretty much in the middle of the screen, and every time you hit space, let's see, can we find it somewhere to play? Cancel, no. I have an example on my code pen. Let's see. Profile is, where is it? Yeah. And in this example, the birds are trying to learn how to fly. But for today, we're going to build this, and we're going to play ourselves. Okay, let's see the chat. Hi Rash. Bug in your app. Not sure what you mean. Which app? What bug? Okay. Also, there is this challenge where let me open it. Add YouTube. Where is it? The community. So is this challenge where we have to build one game in 1 hour. Oops. And we have to record it and send it to him until Saturday this week. So that's what I'm trying to attempt now. I tried yesterday also, but I failed with the snake game. So I'm trying again today with the Flappy Bird. Hopefully this time it will work out better. I think I can do it in an hour, and if we are having some time left, then we can add new features. Okay, so let's start. We can close this. Let's minify this, and let me create a folder, Flappy Birds. I'm going to call it like that because if I have time, I'm going to try to do a little variation of the game where you control 2 birds instead of 1. Let's open a timer and set it to 1 hour. Like that. Okay, start. Good. So we keep an eye on that. Let's open VS Code. In the meantime, say hi if you joined the chat. And let's build the game. Should be fun. Okay, first thing, we need an index.html. Then let's see, style.css. We want to center the canvas. We're going to use JavaScript canvas to build the game. And script.js. Okay, that's that. Now let's see, let's create the index HTML boilerplate, Flappy, birds, and import script. And let's add the link to the style.css. Okay, we also need v5.js CDN. Where is it? Get started. Okay, this one. Good. So basically, v5.js, if you haven't been in the yesterday's live stream, it makes it easier to work with the canvas in JavaScript. All right. Now we have this set up. Let's open the live server. And let's create the two functions it needs. We need function setup and we need function draw. This will be the loop of the game. Here let's create canvas. I don't know, we need it to be, the height should be bigger, so let's make it width 400 and height 600. And background, let's make it dark 200. The color, let's see. Okay, so dark 100. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now let's quickly style everything inside the body. Center in the middle of the screen, display flex, align item center, justify content center, min height 100, viewport heights, and margin 0. Alright. Hey Hakan, we need full stack app tutorial. Sure, maybe in another live stream. Okay, so we have that. Let's maybe make the background color here to be darker, something like 555, and then the game can be white. And make it 600 by 800. Okay, that should be fine, I guess. Good. Now the first thing we need is our bird, which will fly, basically will go up and down on the y-axis. So for that, let's create a class of bird, and in the constructor like that, we want to set the this.x to be, let's see, 50, and this.y to be the middle of the screen. Oops, we don't need the parentheses here. Good. This.y should be the middle of the screen, so height divided by 2. This.size, let's make it, I don't know, 40. Okay, now let's draw the bird. We're going to create a circle, this.x, this.y, this.size, and this.size. Make it fill with, let's make it red, so something like, or maybe some kind of purplish color. Okay, and now we can create our bird, and we initialize it in the setup function. Bird will be new bird. Okay, and in the draw function we can do bird.draw. So now we should see the bird on the screen. Look at that. Nice, pretty pink bird. Okay, no stroke. Alright, look at that. So we have our little bird on the screen. Now it should basically fall by default, so it has gravity applied on it. Let's see. So for that we want to set y velocity to be 0, and let's see, we want gravity. Let's store it in a const variable out here. Const gravity should be, let's start with 1. Okay, and the bird will have an update function, and here this.y will add the this.y velocity, and above this.y velocity will add gravity. Okay, so now if we do bird.update, we should see the bird falling. Okay, look at that. It falls pretty fast. So let's do 0.2 or something. Okay, perfect. Let's stop it at the bottom. So in the update, we can do something like if this.y bigger than height, this.y is the center. So this.y, because it creates a circle, and I don't know how to call it, the point we're fixing is in the middle of the circle. So we need to check if this.y plus this.size divided by 2 bigger than height, then this.y will be height minus this.size divided by 2. So it will stay at the bottom. Okay, look at that. Good. This will also basically, let's say, to do die. Or no, let's be end game. Okay. Alright, now we need to make it fly. When we are pressing the space bar, we want it to go up. So for that we need, let's create another force, which will be fly. Let's, I don't know, do it 2 or something. And inside the bird class, let's create a function fly, which will basically apply the fly force. So this.y velocity plus equals fly. Alright, and now we need to call this function whenever we press space. So there is a function in v5.js, key pressed. Yeah, it key pressed. So function key pressed, and here we can check if the key code, let's see, key code is space, delete backspace, shift. Or we check directly key. Okay, let's try, and key will be space. If it is, then bird dot fly. Okay, let's close this. We have 10 minutes already. Good. So now, nope, doesn't work. Let's say key code, but that's not a code. Let's console.log key code so we can see what we have. Inspect in the console. Okay, 32 is the key code. Okay, so we can check if the key code is 32. Maybe the force is too small. Let's put 20. Oh, sorry, it should be minus because we want to go up. Okay. So let's see. Whoa! Our bird flew away. Yeah, that's too much. 10. Okay, look at that. So basically flies. We need to play around with the numbers now. So let's see, maybe have a bigger gravity. Okay, and now the force can be bigger. Whoops. Okay, something like that. So we have our our bird flying. All right. I need to see. Oh well, it's good for now. I wanted to check what variables I used in the first game. Okay, but we'll do it from scratch, so no cheating. Good. Now, what we want those pipes, which will come from the right, and we want to avoid them. Okay. Good. So let's create the pipes. Let's create a class pipes, and in the constructor, basically what we want is to draw a rectangular from the top to somewhere random. We need a space, a height, and then we draw another rectangular here. So let's store the pipe height. Height to be, let's see, 150. We can play around with the value later. And now, so the x value, this.x, should be width of the screen. So we want to start it up somewhere around here, the offset of the screen. And then this that y, let's see, we need basically the place to the top of the how is that called, the entrance, whatever, the gate, or the difference between the pipes. So the top should be mat.random times height, and then this bottom should be top plus pipe height or hole height or whatever. I think this should work. Okay, and this size, let's make it 40 also, and let's draw it. We want to draw two rectangulars. So the first one should be this.x, this.y. We need no, so x here, then y, the first one. No, it will be 0, and then wait a second. Hey Neon Tots, how are you? So the rectangular takes in the top and left corner, and it goes height, yeah. So the height of the rectangular will be this.top, and the width will be this.size. That's a little off. We need to play around with these names. Okay, and the second rectangular will be this.bottom, the x, no, the same this.x, then this.bottom. The height will be until height, and this.size. Let's make it feel 150, and let's draw it. Okay, we're going to need an array of pipes. Pipes will be an array, and here we're going to say pipes.push new pipe. Hey Mark, you're here to cheer me up. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Okay, so we have a pipe. We need to draw them now. So pipes for each pipe, like that. We want to say pipe.draw. Okay, let's make it first be its x value to be 200 so we can see it. Alright, so something's wrong. Let's see what it is. Pipe is not defined. Oh, pipes. Okay. Okay, so we have something. Which is not what we want. Okay. So let me see. I think first goes the width and then the height. Let's check the reference for the rectangular rect function. Function. Okay. Yeah, width and height. So we need, let's call this width. This dot width, and then this dot top, and then this dot width and height. Okay, let's see now. Not quite. Why is that? Let me console.log top and bottom to see the values. This that. Okay. Let's see. Object window, what? What on earth is happening? Pipe height. Is that? That's weird. Oh, this that top. Okay. Alright, now look at that. Good. Let's make the height bigger, 200. Okay, good. Now we have the pipe. And what we want to do is an update function for the pipes. Update. Which will basically do this.x minus minus. Let's see 1. Maybe we can increment this. So it basically goes to the left. And we need to call this function pipe.update. Yeah, Mark, you were right. I missed the this key. Okay. Alright, look at that. So now it goes to the left. Perfect. Okay, so we can start that width. And let's see. It should go. It's too slow. Maybe we can triple the. Yeah, this looks decent. One thing I want to do when the bird hits the bottom here, I want to do this die y velocity to be 0. So we're resetting it so I can fly back up. Although on the original game you wouldn't be able to fly. Look at that. So, whoa. The bird flew away. Okay, so now we need to create more pipes. Let's see. in the draw function here, we can do something like if frame count, so this will count the frames. We can create a new pipe every, I don't know, 50 frames. We can do pipes push new pipes. Yeah, that's a little weird, but whatever. Okay, look at that now. Ooh, too many. Maybe at 80 frames. Okay. Yeah. This is starting to look like Flappy Birds, but for some reason the fly is too powerful. I don't like that. Now the gravity is not perfect. That's weird. Okay. Well, I guess we just need to play around with these values. Whoa. That's an interesting case scenario. Oh, you know what? We might need to limit the y velocity. I think there is a function in P5.js which does that. Limit? No. I guess we could create a limiter here if this that y velocity is bigger than, I don't know, 100, then this that y velocity will be 100, but I think that's too much still. Let's start with 20. So now we can, yeah, we still can go nuts. That's still too much. 10. Interesting. Oh, that's bigger or smaller? So we need to keep it between -10 and 10. We can basically do the other way around. Less than -10 should be. Yeah. So now it doesn't go bunkers. Okay, we need to fix this. So basically the random function here shouldn't go up to the height. Should go up to the height minus the bird size. So let's say minus 100 or something, and that should be. Alright. Still don't like the movement of the bird, but whoops, it's pretty okay. Let's see how much time we have. 35 minutes. Good. Now we need lesion detection. So when we hit the pipes, basically we want to restart. Let's see. We need to check if the bird hits the pipe. So let's create a function hits pipe. Okay, let me fix these pipes to be pipe. Although there are two pipes, but yeah, sounds better this way. Okay, so if the bird hits the pipe, and we can check this before the update. Pipe, not here, above with the bird. So bird hits pipe, and it will be an if bird hits pipe, then we want to do something. For now, let's console.log. It should be dead. Okay. Good. Let's open our console. Still You worry. Have a nice day. Thank you. You too. Okay. We have the console here. Maybe let's make this smaller. 500 by 600. Pipe is not defined. Why? What's wrong with you? Pipe. 17. Oh, but it's pipe. Oh, yeah. We need to do this, but we need to do this here. Because we want to check for all the pipes. Alright. So now let's write the collision detection. First, let's check on the x-axis. So basically what we want to see if this.x, which is the center, plus this.size divided by 2 is, where it is, this.size, right? Yeah, is side, so it's bigger than this, no, than pipe.x. And so we have the right check. Now we need the other check. If this.x minus this.size divided by 2 is less than pipe.x plus pipe.width. Okay, so this should return true, otherwise let's return false and see if that works. Turn false. Basically now we should have console lock hit every time it goes between the pipes. Let's see. Hit, okay. Hit. Alright, good. That works. Now we need to see if the bird is not between the space here. Alright. That should be an inner test. Let's see. So if we need to check this.x, this.y minus, let's check for the top part, this.size divided by 2 is less than pipe.top, right? Let's see. So we create a pipe to be from top, x top, yeah. Okay, that's good. Where it is? Oh, okay, here. And this dot y plus I mean, we don't need to check this. So basically if it's above, it's not okay. Or we need to check if this dot y, so the bird plus this dot size divided by 2 is bigger than pipe dot bottom. If it is, so basically will be either here or here. Then we need to check this, and if this is true also, we need to return true. Something like this. So now it shouldn't say anything, now it should. Okay, let's see. Alright, look at that. So if we go, whoops, there was an error there. Let's see. Oh, I think I know what. So it goes above it also. Oh well. Good, so basically we have our collision detection. Mehmet, sorry. Keep up tutorials. Okay, sure. I will. Let's see how much time we have. 30 minutes. Okay, good. So basically what we want to do if it hits, we want to clear out the pipes. So pipes, splice, all of them. Let's see, splice pipes dot length, no, 0 to pipes dot length -1. Oh, also we want to delete a pipe when it goes off screen, because otherwise we'll have a lot of pipes we don't need anymore. Hey Mark, what's up? Okay, so first let's do that. Where should we do it? Here. So basically in this for loop we want to remove the pipe if it's let's see. Yeah, let's do a usual for loop. So for let I be pipes dot length -1, I is greater than 0, I minus minus. And then const pipe we can do pipes dot I, and we can say if pipe off screen, then pipes that splice I and 1, right? So if it goes off screen we want to remove it from the array, because now if we go here and say pipes, look at that, we have 132, 33, 34, so we keep adding pipes, which is not okay. And now we can do this here. Good. And we need to create the off-screen function. Mark, you gotta go. Take care. I hopefully finish within the time limit. Good. So we need to create the off-screen function for the pipes. Off, maybe is off screen. Return this.x less than 0. This.x plus this.width be smaller than 0, so it's completely off. Okay, where is it? He pressed up, no, the draw function. Oh, okay, here, let's save it. All right, so now let's say pipes, we have 3 pipes, 3. Oh, look at that, so our end game is working also. Nice. Well, let's remove it for now so we can see that the pipes are removed. So pipes 4, pipes 4, 4, 3, 4. Okay, good, nice. So we have that, and as you could see we also have the collision detection. So now if we hit the wall, boom, it goes away. All right, so we pretty much built the game. Okay, I don't like the flying mechanism that much. Oops, yeah, not perfect yet. Okay, but anywho, it works, which is great. So what should we do next? Let's keep track of the score. maybe the score could be incremented on the frame rate so we can see how far we went. Or we could do the score be based on when we pass the pipes. Yeah, let's do that. So let score will be 0 initially. Let's draw it to the screen. Text. Score should be score. It should go on the top right. So width minus 120. Let's see, it should appear there. Good. Let's make the text size be 20. Okay. And make it fill with blackish. Okay, maybe darker, 50. Alright. And don't need any that much, and should be go a little down. Okay, good. And now we can increase the score when the pipe it's let's see, when the middle of the pipe is in the middle of the bird, which we know that it's 50. Yeah, so let's store this const bird_x will be 50, and we can use this here, and also we can do something like if this.x plus half the height, the width, this.width. Yeah, but only want to increment it once. Okay, let's see. Let's do this and then we can check. This.y plus 2 divided by 2 is less than bird_x. So basically the bird passed the pipe. Then we want to do score plus plus. So now it will increment, but it will keep incrementing, which is not good. I guess. Also, when we die, we want to reset the score. So let's do that quickly. Hits pipe, score equals 0. Okay. Maybe we need to keep track of if it incremented the score already or not. So this incremented score will be false. And if it didn't increment score, if it did not, then we can do score plus plus, and inside here we can say this that increment score will be true. Okay, so now it should only go once. Let's see. Whoops. Okay, look at that. 1, 2. That's a bug. 2. I can't go far. Lol. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good. That works. What else? Let's make the pipes green. Fill 0, 100, 155, 100. What color is this? Whoa, that's too green. Let's see, flat colors, and we can take, yes, this green color. Oh well. It works, I guess. Good. Now, don't really like the flying part. Let's make it 8 and gravity should be 4. And maybe we can increase a little bit the height between the pipes. Whoops. That's pretty playable. Yeah, and it goes above. Then it's dead also, so we can't do that either. Pretty hard to play. But I remember that the Flappy Bird was pretty hard to play, so yeah, that's pretty good simulation, I guess. Okay, so we have the score, we have the pipes. What can we do? Maybe we can add an image of the bird. Let's find an image of the bird. Game. Let's see. Flat icon. Here we can take a bird icon. Let's see. Which one should be? Like this one, it's just too yellowish. Flying. Oops. Bird flying. Yeah, let's say Flappy Bird as it. Well, I guess we could use this and turn it around. What else? Next page. Let's see, maybe we can find some. Oh, look at that. Have our Angry Bird. Up image address. Attribution to flaticon.com. Okay. And instead of drawing a circle, we can draw an image. But I need to see how. Image. Create image, load image. Yeah, first we need to load. Let bird image, and in the preload function we need to load the image. So bird image should be load image, and we need a link. Okay, now we have the image in the bird image and we can draw it. Where is it? The bird here. Image. We can do bird image at this.x, this.y. Let's see how that looks. Whoa, look at that. We need to resize it. Whoops. Okay. Where is it? The reference here. Oh, width and height. Okay. So we can use this, that size, and this, that size. Okay, but apparently it goes from the top left. Can we say image center or something? Let's see. Image mode, corner, image mode, center. Okay, we can do this in setup, image mode center, and now it should in the center. Okay, look at that. And we can remove the circle. Now we have an angry bird, which is cool. Okay. Maybe we can, let's see how much time we have. 15 minutes. We can try to add sound. Just don't know where to find it. Let's see. Do you know a free place for sounds? Free sound. Free sound, look at that. Think what sound do we? I'm not sure if you can hear this. It's something fast. Ding. This is funny. Okay, let's see. Can download it. Oh, the YouTube Creators Library has great sound effects, says Claudia. Do they have like this sort of small sounds? I mean, that's, I mean, just like bing, stuff like that. Bing. Okay, and we can add the bing here. Bing. Let's here and then drag it here. Okay, and now we can import it. Sound. Oh, we need p5 jazz.sound. Or not. Maybe I can do something like HTML audio it was, I guess. I forgot. Not using it much. Yeah. Example. False. Yeah, I guess I need this. And we only have bing.wav. And we can target it here. Let's see. Here, const audio will be document, get element by ID, audio, and we can play it. Not on play. But the thing is, my audio. Let's do it audio. Okay. Play can only be initialized by user gesture. Oh well. So let's do it. When we increment score, we want to play the sound. Where is it? Yeah. Let's see. Bing. Okay. Pretty annoying after a while. The hard part is that I can play the game, so let's make it easy. Okay, let's see. Okay. That's annoying. Oh, they have effects and music separately. That's nice. Do you know the link, Claudio? Or I could use something from there, or then this is not the best. Okay. So we have 10 minutes left. We have the score. have pretty much anything we wanted. Everything wanted. Bing, bing, bing. Okay. This is fun. Now it's too easy. Okay. Send the link above. Not sure if it was filtered, but yeah, it probably was. I don't see it. What if we add another bird, which will be controlled by, I don't know, another key? Let's try that. We have 9 minutes. Okay. Let's do bird 1. Let bird 2. Bird 1, new bird, bird 2, new bird. Okay, oh, that sound is annoying. Let me stop it for now. Okay, bird. We need to do bird 1 update, bird 1 draw, and the same for bird 2 and bird 2. And here bird 1 hits pipe and bird 2 hits pipe. And in the depressed, we check for that, or if key code is I don't know, maybe we can do it next. Let's see, E X, that will fly the first one, and key X will fly the other one. Where to that fly? Okay, we won't see 2 birds, but there are 2 birds. What we can do to see the 2 birds is to have a random height. Random met that random. Yeah, somewhere on the screen. No? That's interesting. Why can't we see 2? New bird, okay, 2 bird image, okay. Should work. Met the random, let's do that random height. Oh, look at that. Ha! So we have, whoa. Okay, so we have 2 birds. How can we control them? I don't know. Oh, yeah, it's pretty easy if you... Oh, okay. We need another image. The second bird. Oops. Oh, not here. Flat. A icon. And we need angry bird. We want to have this, but I want Chuck. And we have Chuck. That's Chuck. Chuck Angry Bird. That's his name, right? Yep. We want icon. Oh no. Yeah, this copy image. Okay. Now bird 1 and bird 2 image. Load image. and use that bird 2 and bird 1. Okay. And now maybe we can pass in the constructor the bird image like that, and we can save it where it is, the bird here, bird image, and we can do this, that bird image will be bird image. Okay, so now we should have 2 images now. Oh no, it doesn't allow us to get that. So maybe other image. This is too big. It will look odd. Bird image is not defined. Oh, because here when we create, where is it? We need to do this, that. Okay. Alright, so we have both images, which look a little off, but okay. Yeah, so that's interesting. Not that easy though, even though they are not jumping at the... Okay. Yeah, would be nice to have a better image. This one, no. Oh well. Flat UI, flat icon. Let's just take another word. How much time we have? 2 minutes. Come on, I need to find a good image in 2 minutes. Word round. Let's use a chicken instead of Jack. Okay. Let's see. We save this. Okay, look at that. We have a chicken and we have red. If we press at the same time, they go the same, but so hard to control. Also, it should die when they hit the button. Like, okay, yeah. Oh, audio says that you don't hear the desktop sound. That's weird. Let me uncomment this. Where was it? Audio play. So now we should hear it if it's on. I can hear it. Can you? All right. So we basically created the game. Oh, you know what will be hard? If this second bird will have the reverse of flying. Like will go up by default, but then it will jump down. That will be hard. No, you can't hear it. That's weird. Alright, anyways. We kinda completed it. We have 30 seconds left, which is nice. Well, it's not the most beautiful game ever played, but it's playable. Yeah, also when we die, we want the birds to reset. Where is it? here. Word1.y will be random height. And same here. Alright, guys. Bing, bing, bing. Okay, it's pretty easy because the height is big. But if I decrease the height, it will be pretty much impossible. Bing, 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 bing. Oops. Hit that. Alright. Okay, so this ended, which is great. We completed the game. Now let's see. If you have questions and anything else you want to discuss, I'm here. Let's see, Claudio. Are you recording with OBS? Yes. And I have that. So I have this background music here. I'm not sure why it not working. Let's see now if I think, yeah, maybe some setting. I show the capture. Oh, okay. Yeah, now you can hear me twice, I guess. Alright. Anyway. Okay. Let's zoom in and we can play with two birds. I mean a bird and a red bird and a chicken. Bing, 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 bing. Keeps sounding. Thank you, Claudia. Bing, bing. I should update it to put this to GitHub. Let's put it to GitHub, and I can put that then on Netlify so you can see. Whoa, look, the app ideas repository got 10,000 stars. That's amazing. Okay, let's write it. Double Flappy bird. Initialize, no, create repository. Okay, and then here you want to do git init, git add, git commit, initial init, initial commit, and then we want to do this. Okay, and we want to push to master. All right, then go to Netlify. New site from GitHub, and want to say double Flappy Bird. Deploy site. Take the link and paste it in the console. And you can play too. So it's playable with X and Z. Bing, bing. And you can hear the sound if you play it. Bing, bing. Bing, 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 bing. That's funny. Alright. Good. So we have it on GitHub. Let's write a short readme. double Flappy, or use Z and X to control the birds. Play it live here. Alright, that works. Git commit, added readme, git push. Oh, git add, git commit, and git push. Okay, so now if we go here and refresh, we should see the readme, and we can play it. Alright. We can jump it. Oops. Yeah. Feel free to clone the repo and change it and do whatever you want. Bing, 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 bing. Alright. Great. I hope it was fun. It was fun for me. Let's see. Game ideas to build. We built Flappy Bird. We built Snake. Yeah, Ran, you heard the sound now. Awesome. I'm sleepy now. It's not easy to code and talk at the same time. Let me drink some water. Alright. Let's see, maybe I can order these games. I can close this by difficulty. So, card matching game will be pretty easy. Rock, paper, scissors will be pretty easy. Typing game, breakout, Angry Bird, this will be the hardest. X3s also. Tower defense also among the hardest. Simon game, this will be easy. Tic-tac-toe pong will be pretty easy. Math game, Minesweeper a little harder. Okay, this one, 8-ball pool also on the hard part. Alright. I guess this will be the order of difficulty. So the next game could be card matching game. Card matching. In the meantime, let me post our new game. GitHub. So people can check it out. Repository double Flappy Bird. Wait live. Okay. We created a Flappy Bird clone with a little improvement. Something, whatever. Check it out here. Okay. Schmirk. Alright. Good. Now people can play it. Pen. I guess we can find a card matching game here. Card. Oh, memory card it's called. Card matching game or memory card. Alright. Let's see this one. Looks interesting. Stores the moves. What? That's interesting. I never saw that. Okay, never mind. Let's see. Diamonds and oh, they use font awesome icons. Bomb, leaf, bomb, cube, bike, that there, cube, leaf, airplane. Look at that. 15 minutes, 3 stars. Nice. This will be fun to make. I saw the purple plane. There. Leaf. Cube now. The bike somewhere. This. Cube and bomb. 16 moves. Oh, just 2 stars. Interesting. Alright. This could be done with CSS and HTML. We don't need canvas, which is good. Okay, I think that's it for now. I'm going to think about the next step, a game which we're going to create, and I'll do another live stream. Maybe today or not, I'm not sure yet. But I'll keep you updated on Twitter. Thank you very much for watching so far. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. See you later. Bye bye.